This video is for quick reference only and only represents some of the installation requirements. Please read and follow all detailed instructions and warnings in the owner's manual prior to installing, as special instructions will apply for different door types and construction. Marantec offers single and multi-piece rails. This shows the preparation of the coupler to receive multi-piece rail sections. Be sure to align the marks on the rail with the marks on the connector. Slide the coupler down to make the joint rigid. Flip the rail over. Measure approximately 33 inches from the door end of the rail and 12 inches from the operator end of the rail. If your rail is 2 pieces or more, be sure to add a third support bracket in the middle and corresponding ceiling bracketry. This is where you place the support brackets. You can slide the operator shaft through the sprocket, confirming the splines line up, and lower the rail onto the operator. Install the mounting bracketry and include T20/12 mm fasteners. The next step is to secure the operator and rail above the open garage door. Plot the header bracket and mark the desired mounting hole locations for the bracket. Drill your pilot holes and place your inserts in them. Use the included hardware to attach the header bracket to the wall and tighten. Then attach the header bracket to the rail with the clevis pin and clip. Carefully secure the operator by supporting the operator on a ladder, or use the assistance of another person to support operator high enough so door can open without hitting the rail. The garage door can now be lowered. Please take note of your ceiling joist locations. Drill pilot holes for angle iron. Start with the bracketry closest to the operator first. When your angle irons are firm and secure, bend the keeper tabs on the rail brackets. Measure 4 to 5 inches down from the top center of your door. Use the included hardware to securely attach your door bracket. The straight arm is factory installed in the rail. Unwrap it as you align the bottom hole of the J-hook with the bracket through hole. Bolt together the J-hook and straight arms and secure snugly. Then use a clevis pin to secure the J-arm to the door bracket. Make sure to add the retaining ring. Open the door to the open position. You'll be securing the bumper to the rail 1/2 inch from the carriage. Please use the included sheet metal screws. Make sure to secure the screw caps. Next, we'll be installing our photo eye sensors. Center the bracket from 3.5 to 5 inches off the ground. Mark and drill your pilot holes, place inserts, and secure the brackets with screws. Take your sensor and thread the right angle tab through the bottom slots in the bracket. Tilt the sensor up as the top tabs come through the bracket. Twist the top tab so the sensor stays in place. Add the other sensor to the other side of the garage door in the same way. Route wires up the jamb, over the header, above the track, then secure with clips along the rail. Route back to your operator. Twist the wires of the same color together. Press down the corresponding orange rectangle and insert them as shown in port 1 and 2. Place your wall switch on its intended location on your wall. Mark both holes so they can be pre-drilled. Drill pilot holes. Place inserts. Be sure to secure the solid white wire to terminal 3 on the right and the red and white wire to terminal 4 on the left as shown. Screw the wall switch to the wall. Run these wires up the wall into your operator. Install white wire in 3, tagged wire in 4. Install your receiver. Plug in your power cord. Power up your operator. Now you are ready to program your operator. Please refer to your owner's manual and additional support videos for programming the operator.